Our little private sashing ceremony that we have here at Oorala for our graduates, it's a real symbolic thing that we do here. It's more of a personal nature, and it's been going now for about 15 years, and it just acknowledges the family and friends of the Aboriginal graduates, and it just makes it more family orientated.
Oorala has provided a lot of support with tutors, which has been a great support for myself, providing support with my essay writing, which I struggled the most with. It's helped me a lot and has got me where I am today. My plans are to continue to study after my postgrad and do my midwifery, because that's the field where I think is home to me. Aboriginal health altogether is, well, it's home.
Today we awarded the Indigenous Sashes to a group of students graduating, and it's an exciting time for the students as well as their families to come and celebrate at the end of their study journey. As you can see, our sash is an Indigenous design, and we believe it actually is quite important in terms of the UNE graduation experience. It acknowledges the hard work of our Aboriginal students and Torres Strait Islander students, and I think also it's a milestone in their journey, and we think that by putting these sashes in place that we're able to give it the attention and acknowledgement and recognition that it deserves.